Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to talk about how do you upload HD video to TikTok without losing quality. So a couple of tips to remember or to keep in mind in order to not lose quality while you make your HD uploads to TikTok. What you can do is, firstly, make sure that you have a good internet connection, and especially if it's a Wi-Fi connection, if it's a better Wi-Fi connection than your mobile data, then it's much better. So that's one point that you can keep in mind. All right, so apart from that, then make sure your video is in a good resolutions, like most probably in the 1080p resolution, so that's better, and in that ratio it's much preferred, and also it's in the video format quality. So these things are some additional things. Then apart from that, what you can do when you open your TikTok app, so what happens, like when you open your TikTok app, if you go to your profile tab here, so on your bottom right, so once you're on your profile, click on the three lines here on your top right. So click on the lines. So here, scroll down and you'll see an option called data saver. So turn this data saver off, especially when you're making any uploads. So make sure this button is turned off if you're going to upload anything. So this will help to maintain your quality of your uploads or your video. So that's what pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.